Hello students, let us understand the chapter The Strange Visitor. Who is this strange visitor? Let us understand. A few days ago, I had gone to the hospital to see a friend who was ill, means who was sick. As soon I went through the gates, I saw an elephant standing guard outside emergency ward. A number of people had crowded around him, means an elephant was standing outside the emergency ward in an hospital. Such a surprising visitor. An elephant in the hospital compound? Now, looking at him closely, I realized that it was Kanan, the temple elephant. But where is his Mahout, Nandan? I had never seen one without the other. Both of them, wherever they go together, Mahout and the elephant. Now the doctor whom I knew told me that Nandan had been admitted to the hospital. The Mahout, Nandan, in the hospital. He had a sudden heart attack. Now luckily he is out of danger. But he'll have to stay here for at least another week. The doctor says that he has to stay here in the hospital for one more week. But now, this elephant, what is he doing in the hospital? Kanan had followed his Mahout to the hospital. Who is Mahout? Nandan. He was now refusing to leave. He doesn't want to go now. Now, I saw Prabhakaran, the assistant Mahout, talking to Kanan. He was trying to take him away. Prabhakaran is assistant Mahout. Now, I went up to Prabhakaran and asked him what had happened to Nandan. Then Prabhakaran replied, he was giving Kanan a bath in the river when he complained of a severe chest pain, and he scrambled out of the water and called for help, and we brought him to the hospital. Means Nandan had a severe chest pain. He had a heart attack, and then he was hospitalized. And what about Kanan? I asked. Prabhakaran explained, he saw us taking Nandan away in car and followed us all the way to the hospital. He's been standing here since then. But doctors are not happy about that. Prabhakaran is telling that doctors are not happy to see him in the hospital compound. But he is not able to take him away. Now they wanted the elephant taken away from the hospital compound. I told Prabhakaran, I know, but how can I make him understand that? Said Prabhakaran. Nandan never used a stick or steel to goad him. How can I use them now? How can I use a stick for him when Nandan has not used? Take him to the shade of the trees for the time being, I said. You may be able to take him away later. Kanan refused to move where he was standing. He wanted to be as close as to Nandan as possible. He just wanted to be there near to his Mahout, Nandan. With great difficulty, Prabhakaran moved him to the foot of a large tree near the hospital wall. Nandan was discharged after 7 days later. means after 7 days he was discharged. All this while Kanan waited for him under the tree. He seemed sad and worried and ate nothing. When Nandan became strong enough to walk a little, he went to meet Kanan. The elephant's eye lit up with joy. He waved his trunk, flapped his ears, and took a few dancing steps and told, "I'm all right, Kanan. I know you have been waiting for me for the whole week." Nandan said, patting him, "Don't worry, we can go home now." Then he held out a bunch of bananas which the elephant gobbled up happily, and the onlookers were amazed. "Just look at that," they exclaimed. "These two are more like brothers than Elephant and Mahawat." He gobbled bananas means he ate quickly those bananas, and he was too happy to see his master. Onlookers means those people who came to visit Nandan. They were happy to see that Mahawat and Elephant, they look like brothers. So the strange visitor was the elephant, Kanan. I hope you must have understood the story.